Hello, everybody! Are you ready for some Nordic cuisine? I'm excited to show you the best places to eat in Copenhagen, the vibrant capital city of Denmark. Stay tuned, because I am ready to go. Whenever I talk to my fellow vagabonds about their dream European vacation, as you can tell, I love to talk travel. A lot of the same destinations keep coming up: France, Italy, Spain, and Greece. I hardly ever hear Denmark mentioned, which is a shame because this small northern European country is an awesome vacation destination. What it lacks in size, it makes up for in culture, especially in its capital city of Copenhagen. Here's how I coped in Copenhagen. I think the secret is officially out. Copenhagen is one of the world's great food cities. Danish chef René Redzepi helped put Copenhagen on the foodie map with his world-renowned temple to fermentation, Noma. While Redzepi is the undisputed king of Copenhagen fine dining, plenty of other chefs have done their part to advance Copenhagen's food scene. Take Rasmus Munk, whose groundbreaking restaurant, The Alchemist, was recently named the 5th best restaurant in the world by Eater. Unfortunately, I didn't have thousands of kroner to spend at these ultra-luxe restaurants. But if you've got it, I say go for it. Just make sure to book as soon as you buy your plane ticket. But I did enjoy plenty of brilliant, much more affordable meals. Let's talk about breakfast. In Denmark, it can be a rather hearty affair, often consisting of bread, sausage, seafood, fruit, and cereal, though not necessarily all at once. Since I can't eat most of those things, I tended to go for a lighter breakfast. One of my favorite breakfast spots was the Union Kitchen, a trendy bistro with locations throughout Copenhagen. Of course, for me, a quick pastry can also make a solid breakfast. Then, much like here in the US, lunch in Denmark often consists of a cold-cut sandwich. Except in Denmark, the lunchtime star is an awesome open-faced sandwich called literally butter bread. The bread in question is a slice of sourdough rye. In addition to butter, it can be topped with all kinds of savory ingredients. Pickled herring, horseradish, and dill often make appearances, though I had a hugely craveable vegan version with hummus and cucumbers. Restaurant Schønnemann, sorry if I am not pronouncing correctly, you should know the Danish language is very hard, has been serving some of Copenhagen's most classic ones for over 100 years, and it is still the best place to go for this uniquely Danish lunch. As I said, I didn't have the kroner to spend on Denmark's fanciest dinners, but I certainly ate well. One of my favorite meals was at an elegant, trendy spot called Ark, which features a fully vegan tasting menu, complete with fake foie gras. More than just a foodie paradise, Copenhagen can hold its own with Europe's great cultural centers. From food to culture to fashion, this truly is an awe-inspiring city. And given its compact size and friendly locales, it's an easy place to explore as well. Did you know that Denmark consistently ranks as one of the happiest countries in the world? According to a very recent wellness index published in CNN, Denmark is the world's second happiest nation, behind Finland. And while I haven't been to Finland yet, I can easily see how Denmark would rank high on that list. In the meantime, I will draw on some of that Danish happiness as I continue to cope. If you liked this video and want to see more, visit cookingwithjade.com. Until the next one, cheers!